So, good morning students. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about cuboid. In yesterday's lecture, we saw about cube. In cube, there are 6 faces and each face is a square. Similarly, cuboid also have 6 faces. Only the difference is that in cuboid, each face is a rectangle. Each face is a rectangle. Now, the first formula which we are going to see for cuboid is total surface area of cuboid. So, today we are going to discuss about cuboid. So, the first formula is total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 in the bracket LB, length into breadth, BH, breadth into height, HL, height into length. Now for cuboid, this will be our length, this will be our breadth, and this will be our height. Again I am repeating it. This is our length, this will be our breadth, and this will be our height. Second formula is area of vertical faces. Area of vertical faces is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B into H. What is the formula? 2 in the bracket L plus B into H. And last is volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So now if we want to distinguish between cube and cuboid, both are having 6 faces. Only the difference is in cube each face is a square, whereas in cuboid each face is a rectangle. Or in other words we can say that in cuboid we have L that is length, B that is breadth, and H that is height, whereas in cube length, breadth and height all are equal. Now let's see the sums based on cuboid. Now let's see the first sum. What is given to us? Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. So given length L 20 cm, breadth B 12 cm, height H is equal to 10 centimeter. Full stop. So what we have to find out? Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of box. So number 1, area of vertical faces. So what is the formula for area of vertical faces of box? Area of vertical faces of cuboid. We have seen the formula 2 in the bracket L plus B into H. 2. What is the value of L? 20. What is the value of B? 12. What is the value of H? 10. So 2. 20 plus 12, 32. 10. Now since there is no sign, it means multiplication. 32 2s are 64. 64 10s are 640 centimeter. Number 2, we have to find out total surface area. Total surface area. Now what is the formula for total surface area of cuboid? Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 LB BH plus HL. That is equal to 2. What is L? 20 multiplied by 12 plus 12 multiplied by 10 plus 10 multiplied by 20. So that is equal to 2. 20 into 12, 240. 12 tens are 120. 20 into 10, 200. That is equal to 2. 240 plus 120, 360 plus 200, 560. Multiplied by 2. 56 twos are 112. 120 centimeters. So in this case or in this sum we knew the value of length, breadth and height. Just we put down the formula for area of vertical faces, substituted the value and we got the answer. Now let's see the second sum. In second sum, what is given to us? Total surface area of box of cuboid shape is 500 square units. So what is given to us? Given total surface area is equal to 500 square units. Its breadth is 6 units. Breadth B is equal to 6 units. Height H is equal to 5 units. What we have to find out? Length. Length L is equal to question mark. So here they have given us the value of total surface area. So we will use the formula of total surface area. We know total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Now let's substitute the values. Therefore, what is total surface area? 500 is equal to 2. L we don't know. What is B? 6 plus B 6 H 5 plus H 5 L we don't know. Now this 2 is getting multiplied here. So if I transfer it, it will go in the denominator. Therefore 500 upon 2 is equal to what is remaining? 6 into L, 6L plus 6 5s are 30 plus 5 into L, 5L. Now 500 upon 2, therefore 250 is equal to, now here there is L, again here there is L. Now we have seen in the lower standards when the variable is same, only we can add. So 6L plus 5L, 11L. 30 will remain as it is. Transfer is 30 here. 250 minus 30 is equal to 11L. 220 is equal to 11L. Therefore, L is equal to 220 upon 11. Therefore, L is equal to 20 units. Write down the final answer. Therefore, length of box is equal to 20 units. Now let's see one interesting sum. In this sum they have given us to make an open fish tank, a glass sheet of 2 mm gauge is used. Now the meaning of gauge means thickness. The outer length, breadth and height is 60.4 centimeter, 40.4 centimeter and 40.2 centimeter respectively. How much maximum volume of water it will contain? Now given outer dimensions. Dimensions means length, breadth and height. Length L 60.4 centimeter, breadth B 40.4 centimeter, height H 40.2 centimeter. Now what is the gauge of the glass sheet? 2 millimeter, that is thickness. 2 millimeter, that is equal to, we will convert it into centimeter, so divide by 10, 0.2 centimeter. Now what is the thickness of glass? 0.2 centimeter. Now we have to find out how much maximum water it will contain. So for that we will find out the inner dimension. How to find out the inner dimension? Outer dimension minus the thickness of the glass. Now inner dimensions. Length L1, breadth B1, height H1. Now what was the outer length? 60.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2. Why? Because the thickness of the glass will be separated from both the sides. That is equal to 60 centimeter. Similarly, 40.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2, 40 centimeter. 40.2 minus 0.2, that is equal to again 40 centimeter. Now if you observe, here we are separating from both the sides, but for height we are separating only for one time. Why? Because the tank is open at the top, so we will separate only once 0.2. So what are the inner dimensions? 60, 40, 40. What we have to find out? Volume. Therefore volume of cuboid. What is the formula? L into B into H. What are the inner dimensions? 60 into 40 into 40. 6 4s are 24. 21 4s are 96,000 centimeter cube. So how much maximum volume of water it will contain? Therefore volume of water in tank is equal to 96,000 centimeter cube. So very easy sum. Just we have to consider the thickness of the glass and we separate it from both the ends. So 60.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2. I got the answer 60. Same for breadth. Since the tank is open at the top, so we separated only once 0.2. So 40.2 minus 0.2 is equal to 40 centimeter. We can take the example of the tank. It is open at the top, so we will separate the thickness from both the sides. We will separate the thickness for breadth from both the sides, but for height we will separate it only once because it is open at the top. So note down the sum carefully. Inner dimensions, length 60.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2, that is equal to 60. Breadth 40.4 minus 0.2 minus 0.2, again I got the answer 40. And height 40.2 minus 0.2 is equal to 40. Why we are separating 0.2 only once for height? Because the tank is open at the top.